Okay fellas, we've got Messed Up Motors back in the Messed Up Motors garage. There we go, even got a sign. So today's job is to finish up the loose ends on this 302 we've put in. So just up on the hoist here. There we go, just a few little things. Nothing major. What have we got over here? Yeah, I don't know if you can see it, but very close to the engine mount. We had to scallop the headers a wee bit. So I'm going to get some heat shield around that. If we come underneath this transmission line here, I'm just going to put some of this good stuff around it, pull it up out of the way, heat shield it from this 2-into-1 exhaust here. So, but fundamentally from front to back, if we come out here, we've got decent cooling, front, back, brand new 3-core radiator, the 302, everything's rewired. What do we got on there? Holly 600, heat shielding everywhere almost. Coming through, we've got the 2-into-1 exhaust, just so it looks a bit more traditional out the back. FMX transmission, which has been rebuilt twice, don't ask. New drive shaft. Coming down to the original rear end on this little 51 Ford. So it's all very original, but inside we've changed it to 3-to-1 ratio. And then come out the back here, just for authenticity, I guess you'd call it, had a really decent, super strong tow bar put on. But if you look carefully, I asked them to make it worn, weathered looking, so that it kind of went with the car rather than looking too shiny. So that's kind of cool. So what else we got going on? Rot. I'm not worried about that. I'll deal with that one day. We've got a steel deck over the top. So this is the underside tour of little old Messy, me girl. So get these few little things finished up. By the way, that's what used to be in her. Nothing too wrong with that little motor. It's just it's had a few years on the clock. So I'll use that for something at some point. But from that to a crate 302 has definitely given her some wake up. Anyway, I think other than that, I better get on with the jobs. First job, sleeve and poke this line out of the way so it doesn't cook on the exhaust. Cool, see you.